Welcome back, guys. Today I'm doing a updated eyebrow tutorial just because you guys been requested a updated one. I don't know, maybe because since recently I've been rocking my brows a little bit more sparse, well, sometimes. So yeah, that's the purpose of this video today. Let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so tools that you're definitely gonna need. You need the filler for your brows. So basically this is going to be like an eyebrow pencil or like a pomade or a powder, whichever one you prefer. It's not that serious to me, to be honest. You're definitely going to need a small angled brush. This one is from Pomade by Lyric. I don't remember the specific set. And I have a small concealer brush and a spoolie. Those are very important. You're also going to need your concealer or concealers. Okay, I'm using the PETITE-SUE Sister Cosmetics concealer, and this is in golden beige and tan. Start off with freshly groomed brows. Then you proceed to combing through your hairs, bringing everything in one direction. I take my pencil and start from the mid portion of the brow, and I just drag the product to the tail end. No, I haven't been filling in too dark because, as I said, I don't know, I've been liking that natural hairy look. So I like the look of my hairs just, you know, peeking through. So what I do is take the spoolie and I kind of distribute the rest of the product to the front of the brows, but not too much, because I do not like when the front of my brows look harsh at all. I like that faded look, and I really like the hairy effect, as I said before. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the lighter shade of the two concealers that I showed earlier, and this one is tan. All right, so what you want to make sure is that you have a steady hand. Keep a very steady hand. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, it will take some practice, but that's all to it. So you just want to make sure you're cleaning up the bottom portion of the brows. You're keeping a very straight line. That's the point of everything, basically. And, you know, to kind of make the brow shape a little bit more pronounced, I proceed to using the small concealer brush to blend out all that product, because you do not want any harsh lines. You want this to look seamless, flawless, you know? Yeah. And I mean, if you don't want to use a highlighter shade like that, you can go ahead and use a concealer that's more matching your skin tone, like this one. This one is golden beige, and this one is what I use on the top. I prefer to go with a darker shade on top, just because I don't want things to look too dramatic. Now, this is not the same shade as my skin tone. It's like 2 shades lighter. The one beneath my brows is like 3 shades, 4 shades lighter. But yeah, whatever floats your boat, as I mentioned before. Now, as you notice, this blends in a little bit more and makes everything look a little bit more flawless. That was pretty much it for the brows. I'm showing you where one brow at the top is not yet concealed and the next is concealed. Some people prefer to do their brows without any concealer on top, so that's why I gave you that little view there. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I've been doing since recently. I mean, just a slight change, nothing dramatic. I just wanted to keep you guys updated, and you guys requested it, so there it is. I've been trying to get out a lot of the requested stuff, so I hope you guys are pretty happy with that. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts down below in the description, well, in the comment section. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for my next video. Until then, bye.